goodbye to a whole bunch of excess power batteries.
I posted about this a couple of days ago. I got 12, 14, and 16 volt batteries. They're all kind of old. They're between 12, 14, and 16 years old. There's a couple of flooded batteries in the mix too, but these batteries aren't really dead from being old, although they're way past their prime. They're more dead from neglect. If you have batteries, especially AGM, you're gonna want to stay on top of them. And well, some of these, like the 16 volt batteries, they were in the DJAF car off to the side for a long time. I didn't put them on a trickle charger and they weren't maintained, and so therefore I paid the price. Sometimes you can bring them back, but these have been sitting way too long. I don't think they're coming back. I got batteries in here from the Tahoe that have been in there since some of the earliest videos that you guys have watched. So we packed up the Sprinter and took them over to North State High Performance Batteries in Rancho Cordova, and it's all a gamble. What am I gonna get? I don't know. I don't really care. At this point, I'm just happy that someone's taking them off my hands and I don't have to look at them anymore. But now the moment of truth. How much do these batteries actually weigh? Let's go.
You lived a long, great life. Now you're dead and gone. Oh yeah. You ain't never seen nothing like a 16 volt battery before like that?
No, I never have.
16s, 14s, and 12s. Their very last day of living in my shop.
They're going bye-bye.
They're going bye-bye. How much do they weigh? Let's see how much they weigh.
The pallet's about 30 pounds.
Pallet's about 30?
Yeah.
Here, 1,000 pounds? What does that say? Look at that. 1,014 pounds of batteries. Yeah. You were good batteries. Actually, the pallet's 30 pounds, so a little less than that, but basically 1,000 pounds. All right, we're out of here, Brando, but we got to bid farewell. These guys don't even know how famous these batteries are. There's definitely D3100s from the Tahoe in here.
Total take, $140. Hey, it doesn't sound like a lot, and it isn't. $20 taking the Brandito to the Wiener Schnitzels, $20 in gas to get across town, and a crispy $100 bill left when it's all said and done. I mean, hey, totally worth it. Those things aren't in my shop anymore, and those people over there couldn't have been nicer. Don't know what the going rate is on batteries in other states and other cities, but hey, I'll take it. I don't have to look at them anymore.
All right, we're out of here. Wish them farewell, Brando.